Now let's set up our LAMP server. Let's go to our terminal. Type sudo su. Now let's clear this. Now type apt-get update. This will install a Linux required updates. Now type apt-get install lamp-server caret. Linux is case sensitive. Let's try again. It's getting installed. It is asking for additional download. Type Y to continue. Now it is completely installed. Now let's check our PHP. For that type PHP -v. Here you can see the PHP version. It shows PHP is completely installed. Now let's go to website folder. Type cd/var/www/html. Let's create a file here. Type nano-info.php. Let's create a script. Now to save. Ctrl X. Type Y. And then press Enter to overwrite. Now let's clear. Now type apt-get install Phpmyadmin -y. Now this will install Phpmyadmin. Now prompt appears. You have to select Apache 2. To select, press spacebar on Apache 2. And then press Enter. Now it's installing. Now you see another prompt. Select Yes and Enter. Now you have to set a password for Phpmyadmin. Now re-enter the password. Now it completing the installation. Let's wait. You can see now it's installed. Now let's check the website. For that, let's copy this IP. Open a new tab and paste it. You can see the website is working. Let's check the created file also. /info.php. You can see it's also working. Now let's check Phpmyadmin. Type /Phpmyadmin. Now here you have to type the username. By default it's Phpmyadmin. And enter your Phpmyadmin password. Now click Go. Here you can see Phpmyadmin. For any doubts do comment.